Never fall asleep with your phone on silent mode because the other night I went to bed around 10 p.m. But in the morning when I woke up, I had like 15 text messages from my friend, including a couple photos. So I was thinking, what could he possibly be texting me this much about? But then I opened up the messages and they said things like, bro, get here ASAP. Where are you? Hurry up. So I still had no idea what he was talking about until I clicked on the photos he sent. And then my jaw dropped because you know who was in these photos? LeBron James! Me and my friend live in LA and he was randomly at the same restaurant as LeBron last night. And he knows LeBron is my glorious Pookie Bear honey bun. So he texted me trying to get me to come to the restaurant. But I was stupidly sleeping already, so I didn't see the messages until the morning. Do you know what I would have done to meet LeBron? I would have missed my own birth just to sniff the seat that LeBron was sitting in. Yet I didn't, all cause my stupid phone was on silent.